Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What is the differences between AEP and MA OEP? Insurance enrollment periods allow you to make decisions on your health coverage for the upcoming year. This applies to Medicare insurance as well. For Medicare-related enrollment periods that all take place at different times and allow you to do different things include: first, annual election period or AEP; second, open enrollment period or MA OEP; third, initial enrollment period or IEP; and the last, special enrollment period or SEP. Understanding the differences between each enrollment period is often a point of confusion for seniors. This video will focus on the difference between the annual election period or AEP and Medicare Advantage open enrollment period or MA OEP. Once enrolled in Medicare beneficiaries sometimes wish to make changes to the way they receive their Medicare coverage for a variety of reasons. The annual election period and Medicare Advantage open enrollment period allow Medicare beneficiaries to make changes to the way they receive their Medicare coverage. Annual election period or AEP. AEP allow you to make these changes to the way you receive your Medicare benefits. The first is change from a Medicare Advantage plan back to original Medicare. The second, change from original Medicare to a Medicare Advantage plan. And the third, switch from one Medicare Advantage plan to another Medicare Advantage plan. Number 4, join, drop, or switch a Medicare Part D plan. If for some reason you are not satisfied with the change you made during AEP, you have one more yearly opportunity to make changes to the way you receive your Medicare coverage during Medicare Advantage open enrollment period or MA OEP, provided you are enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan. Medicare Advantage open enrollment period or MA OEP. MA OEP allows seniors enrolled in a Medicare Advantage plan to make a one-time change to the way they receive their Medicare benefits by the following. The first is switch to a different Medicare Advantage plan. The second is switch to original Medicare and add a Medicare Part D plan if desired. If you have original Medicare with or without Medicare Part D or prescription drug coverage, you can't make any changes to your Medicare coverage during MA OEP. 2 key differences between AEP and MA OEP. The first is you can make a greater number of changes during AEP than MA OEP. You can only make a single change during the MA OEP. Unlike during AEP, you cannot make the following changes during MA OEP. The first is switch from the original Medicare to a Medicare Advantage plan. The second, join a Medicare Part D or prescription drug if you're in original Medicare. Number 3, switch from a one Medicare Part D or prescription drug plan to another if you're in original Medicare. The second difference is MA OEP doesn't apply to seniors with original Medicare. AEP allows seniors with original Medicare to make change to their Medicare coverage. MA OEP doesn't. You can change the way you receive your Medicare coverage if you are unsatisfied with it. Remember that you have a choice about how you receive the Medicare coverage you are entitled to. Enrollment periods let you change how that coverage is delivered to you if you are unhappy with it or want to change it for any reason. The coverage you need is entirely depend on your specific life snapshot. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video and bye bye.